Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you, tomatoes are a nutritious fruit that offer many health benefits. Some of the key benefits of tomatoes include. Before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here's some points. 1. Rich in nutrients. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as potassium and folate. They also contain antioxidants like lycopene, which has been linked to various health benefits. 2. Heart health. The antioxidants in tomatoes, particularly lycopene, may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering levels of LDL cholesterol and reducing inflammation. 3. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in tomatoes may help protect against certain types of cancer, particularly prostate cancer. 4. Skin health. The high vitamin C content in tomatoes can help promote healthy skin by boosting collagen production and protecting against sun damage. 5. Eye health. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 6. Weight loss. Tomatoes are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a good choice for weight management and promoting feelings of fullness. 7. Digestive health. The fiber content in tomatoes can aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Overall, incorporating tomatoes into your diet can provide a wide range of health benefits. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna and take care yourself and also care nearest to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.